Okay, say your thing.
October, November.
What solstice?
October, November, December, January, March.
Oh.
I mean, can you stop?
No, it's okay. Keep going. It's okay.
I'm running out of time.
No, you're not. It's okay.
October, November, December, January, February, March, April.
It's good. Where's Mama's birthday? And you don't know Mama's birthday?
Okay, bye. Bow down.
Ew, no. Don't do that. You're dark. Oh, what did you eat today?
We ate
What?
banana and peanut butter sandwich.
Oh, okay. There's somebody else. Say hi to Ate Jayan. Say hi to Ate Jayan.
Hi, Ate Jayan.
How are you?
How are you?
What else do you want to say? To everyone. To all the cousins. What do you want to say? Oh. AJ! Oh, AJ, come back!